What's going on, family? It's your boy Vernon J, CEO and founder over at Equity Platforms. And I had to come on and wish all of our supporters a healthy, prosperous, and successful new year. And then also give a quick reflection on one of our biggest wins as a company, which has been the purchase, renovation, and refinance of a 5-unit asset in Harrisburg, PA. So we bought the building on December 6, 2022 for $295,000. And right from the closing table, we got to work, started renovating, re-tenanting, using Section 8, Vash for veterans. And on December 5th, 2023, the property appraised for $640,000, a 116% increase from our original purchase price. And now we're starting to really understand how simple principles can be applied to commercial real estate to create exponential growth. And we're already on to the next deal. So we're in contract for a waterfront asset, 1850 build, beautiful, gorgeous asset that was actually a stop on the Underground Railroad. And we're converting it from office to affordable housing, buying it for $640, and by the time we're done with it, it's gonna be valued at $1.7 to $2 million. So none of this would be possible without our support, without the people who believe in our mission. And it was important for us to take a moment and say, we love you guys. Peace.